Japanese government intends to increase its military presence in the southern islands due to the Chinese threat. As Iwaya, Japan's foreign minister, said, 2 islands that are the main objects of the conflict between Japan and China are now to be supported by 1 combat unit and 1 naval defense unit each. Donald Trump called on the Russian government to withdraw from Venezuela. The spokeswoman for the press department of the Russian Foreign Ministry, on the other hand, believes that the United States should first withdraw from Syria. A helicopter of the Kazakhstan Ministry of Defense crashed, killing 13 people. The tragic news was reported by President Tokayev during a commemorative speech. The Lassa fever, transmissible from animals to humans, already claimed 114 victims in Nigeria. The Nigerian Health Control Center warns against spreading the fever. To date, 1,801 cases have been registered in the control center.